So as you can see here, this is actually one of my best products here, a little mushroom guy, and I actually put a tag right there, so it's actually really good. You could take it off once it sells and everything. It's really nice to have, perfect for items and everything, and it's just so cute. Hey guys, today we have a tag creator here, and this is kind of like a little gun that you can actually put on your products to actually label them, to have different kind of things. But here we have the thing itself. As you can see, it comes with a little gun here and different types of needles too to put on your products, and a lot of tags things. To set it up, it's actually really simple. So there's like this little indent right here. You just put the tags facing that little indent with the T's on there like that. That means it's ready to go. And to start, you can just take out the needle itself. This is a protector so you won't hurt yourself with the needle. And you put your label on here. So I want to label something that I have here that I've created, like especially for like products that you can actually make yourself, or have like a little clothing, cloth, fabrics. This is perfect for you to label them, and it's really easy to use. And it's very easy. What I do is I put the label on the needle like that. I stab it inside the little creature, the little crochet item, fabric, anything. It can basically make a little hole and it won't damage my product. And it's on there like really good. And this is perfect for products and stuff, and it will stay on for a while. Like, these are perfect to just have around on your products. As you can see, now I can actually display them on the market so people can actually know the price and everything. This is perfect for fabrics, creatures, anything basically with yarn, fabrics and everything. This is perfect for that, and very easy to use. And it's exactly like a staple gun, how you can actually put like reusable and everything. It's very useful, very needed for people who actually do need them at markets and price tags and everything. This is perfect for that. And once you are done with the product, you can actually just pack it up and go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.